Compact Xiaomi 16 Pro packs power and punch. And this time Xiaomi is aiming straight at the premium flagship segment with a device that not only redefines compact smartphones, but also challenges the biggest names in the industry, because the Xiaomi 16 series is officially entering its warm-up campaign, and everything about this generation screams bold innovation. Major changes are coming in product definition, design identity, and hardware performance. And according to official filings, the device is already set for public disclosure soon, and the star of the lineup will be the compact Xiaomi 16 Pro, possibly branded as the Mini or simply the standard Pro model, while a larger Pro variant will carry a 6.8-inch display under a slightly different name. But what makes this compact version special is a perfect balance of power, portability, and premium features. Because under the hood, it will debut with Qualcomm's second-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a powerhouse chip that was first showcased at the Qualcomm Summit. And this means the launch is just around the corner. And to add more excitement, reliable insider DCS has revealed crucial details about this compact beast. Started with a 6.3-inch display that ensures one-handed usability without sacrificing immersive viewing. But don't be fooled by the size, because the Xiaomi 16 Pro packs a massive 6,300 milliamp hours large capacity battery using an advanced R-angle LiPo design that promises both durability and efficiency, meaning users will enjoy long-lasting performance without constant charging. And the story doesn't end there, because Xiaomi is determined to elevate its camera game to flagship levels, equipping this device with a large main sensor and a periscope telephoto camera on the back, ensuring top-tier photography and zooming capabilities that rival the very best. And alongside this powerful imaging system, the compact Xiaomi 16 Pro will support wireless charging, including ultrasonic fingerprint sensor for faster and more accurate unlocking, and even boasts full waterproofing, making it a true all-rounder that blends innovation with practicality. And Xiaomi Group partner and President Lu Weibing has already teased a series of video, confidently stating that the Xiaomi 16 lineup will mark a qualitative leap in product positioning and definition, signaling that Xiaomi is not just following trends, but is setting them. And leaks also confirm that both the compact and larger Pro versions will share the same camera excellence with a 50-megapixel 1/1.28-inch ultra-large high-dynamic main sensor, combined with a periscope telephoto lens, ensuring professional-grade photos and videos no matter the model you choose. And unlike the previous generation, this dual Pro strategy allows Xiaomi to target two very different consumer bases: those who prefer compact devices and those who want larger displays, all without compromising on performance or features. And as if that wasn't enough, the integration of the Snapdragon 8 Elite means users will enjoy next-level AI processing, console-level gaming performance, and incredible power efficiency, making the Xiaomi 16 Pro not just a smartphone, but performance beast disguised in a sleek, manageable frame. And if rumors are accurate, the Xiaomi 16 series will make its official debut in September, perfectly aligned with Qualcomm's chipset timeline, which means we are only weeks away from experiencing this leap forward. And it's clear that Xiaomi has taken all the feedback from its previous devices and created something extraordinary, because the Xiaomi 16 Pro is compact yet mighty, stylish yet practical, powerful yet efficient, and above all, designed to cater to a generation of users who demand more from their smartphones. So as we look ahead, it's safe to say this device could be one of the most important launches of the year, setting new benchmarks for battery life, camera performance, and compact flagship design, proving that small size doesn't mean small power. And with all these innovations combined, Xiaomi is positioning itself as a leader in redefining what a modern flagship can and should be. So stay tuned, because the Xiaomi 16 Pro is about to shake up the smartphone market in ways we've never seen before. And for more groundbreaking updates, keep watching TechVerse.